pleasure of eating something because it's expensive has absolutely nothing to do with the taste of a good cuisine. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode on Be a Ghanaian. Today on Be a Ghanaian, we are going to learn how to prepare Banku. Okay, so for this episode, we learn how to prepare Banku with pepper sauce. Banku is a Ghanaian dish prepared by the mixture of fermented corn and cassava dough in hot water. Banku can be eaten with palm nut soup, groundnut soup, pepper sauce with fish, okra stew, and so on. Let's go to the kitchen and learn how to prepare Banku. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. To prepare Banku, you need your cassava dough, corn dough, your salt, and your water. You need a stirring rod to stir. So now what we are going to do next is we'll put the cassava dough and the corn dough in our cooking pot and we add water. We stir till it mixes completely, okay, before we add salt to it. First of all, I'll pour my cassava dough into the cooking pot. Secondly, I'll add my corn dough. So now what we are going to do is we are going to mix the cassava dough and the corn dough. Okay, so pour water into it. Then now you can use either your hand to mix it or use the wooden ladle to mix it. But for this, I'll be using a wooden ladle to mix. Our corn dough and cassava dough will be mixed completely. But take note, Banku can be eaten with okra soup or grinded pepper, but not limited to these two. So you make the Banku soft when you are eating with okra soup, or you make it hard when you are eating with grinded pepper. After, I'll add my salt. So you light your fire, stir while it's on the fire. Maybe increase your fire a little bit. So you stir till it becomes hard. So while stirring, you have to be very strategic, otherwise you see some lumps in it. You stir the wooden ladle against the cooking pot so that those lumps will mix completely with the mixture. You stir for a while so it becomes hard. You have to stir it very well to prevent it developing lumps. I've been stirring for a while and now, as you can see, my Banku is very thick. But I have to add water a little to soften it a bit. Okay. Pour some little water. The water has to go under it. It has to just be at the base so that it can cook, okay, for a while. So we remove the Banku stack on the stirring rod because we need to cover it and allow it to boil because we added the water. After leaving it to boil for a while, we have to open and check. Okay, alright. So it's boiled. You have to turn it upside down. Have to stir again, okay, so that the water mixes completely. That's finally.
minutes of stirring. Now my banku is ready. My banku is ready, so I have to scoop everything out and make it round with a calabash. Okay. So you add water. The water makes it easy for you to turn the banku. Okay. So we are molding it into a round shape. So now you can see the banku is round. Yes. Nice one. Let's quickly fry some fish and grind some pepper and eat the banku with it. Okay. So I have my frying pan, my oil, my flour, my red fish, and my salt. First of all, I'll sprinkle a little salt on the fish. Okay. Next, I'll put my frying pan on the fire. Pour my oil into the frying pan. So you leave the oil on fire to be hot. We are ready to fry our fish. Okay. So first, you dip the fish in the flour. The reason why I am using the flour is to prevent the fish from sticking in the frying pan. Okay. So take my fish, put it in my flour. The oil is ready to fry our fish. Okay. So I dip it into the hot oil. As you can see, my fish is frying. You have to turn it. So you have to control the fire a little to prevent it from burning. So you have to fry it well so that it turns reddish brown. Once the fish is reddish brown and it's ready, you have to take it out of the frying pan. Take it out of the hot oil and put it. It's time to prepare our red pepper. Okay, so I have my earthenware mashing bowl and a wooden mash. I have my fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes, onion, and salt. Okay. First of all, I'll rinse my earthenware machine. So I'll put my pepper in the earthenware machine bowl. Then I'll add salt. So now I'll add my onions to it. I'll use half of the size. Then I grind it. Wash your tomatoes. You cut it into two. And take out the seeds. So I slice my tomatoes to the pepper and the onion. Grind the tomatoes. After minutes of grinding the tomatoes, you can see it's completely mixed with the pepper and the onions. Yes. So now it's ready. I'll taste the pepper. check the salt content. So I'll cut my remaining onions into the grinded tomato, pepper, and onion itself. This is how to prepare grinded red pepper.
Hi guys, so my banku is ready, so I have to go and sit down comfortably, open my legs and eat. I know that with these few easy steps, you can easily prepare yourself banku and eat. Before I leave you, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos. Connect with us on all our social media platforms. Be a Ghanaian. Visit our website www.beaghanaian.com. Thank you very much for watching.